Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So in this video we will cover three formulas. Those are sum, sumif and sumifs. We have covered some formula in our previous videos, but I am showing it here again as all of these three are relevant to each other. Now we will create a table first for an example. So first will be names, the number of chocolates they have, MRP of those chocolates. So there is Dan, there is Maze, and there is Chloe. So these three people have chocolates with them. So Dan has 5 chocolates which cost 2 rupees. Then he has 10 chocolates which cost 5 rupees, and he has other 15 chocolates which cost 10 rupees. Similarly, two other members are having the same chocolates and cost the same. Now, with the help of this formula, we will find out how many chocolates do these people have in total. Then we will select multiple conditions to find sumif and sumifs. So simply, I will explain you how sum and sumifs work. First, sum is to find out the total value. Sum if is to find out a value with a single condition. Then there is a sumifs. This supports multiple conditions. Uh, but SUMIF has only single condition. So this is the difference of SUMIF and SUMIFs. First we will see sum formula. Then we will see SUMIF. Then the third one will be SUMIFs. In sum formula, some formula will help us to find out the total value. So I want to know that the number of chocolates all these three people have in total. So is equal to sum. Click on tab button for open bracket, then you can select the range and close the bracket. That's it. This is how you can find the number of chocolates they have in total. Now the next is sumif. What if I want to check how many chocolates the maze have? So I will type here sum if. I will click on tab button for open bracket, then I have to select a range and a condition. So my range will be range will be names, and my condition will be maze, because I wanted to find out how many chocolate does maze have in total. Now you have to write maze in this double quoted. Then my sum range will be D column, because I wanted to know how many chocolates she has. Now close the bracket and hit on enter key. So if you see, maze has 30 chocolates in total, and that what we added in this condition. So in SUMIF we added first range as a names, then we added a condition as maze, and the third was sum range, that is number of chocolates. So maze has 30 chocolates in total. Now my the next formula will be SUMIFs. Now here I can add multiple conditions. For example, I wanted to know how many chocolates does maze have which cost 5 rupees or greater than 5 rupees. So I will type here sum ifs, then I will click on tab button for the open bracket, then I will select the sum range. Now here you have to select the sum range first, that is the number of chocolates. So I wanted to see the number of chocolates maze have which cost 5 rupees or greater than 5 rupees. I selected the chocolates column, then I will select the names column, comma, then I will add maze as a condition in double quoted, because I want to find out how many chocolates does maze have, that's why. And my second condition will be the MRP. I wanted to find out how many chocolates does she has which cost 5 or greater than 5 rupees. That's why I selected the MRP column. Now comma, and add the condition here as double quoted, in the double quoted, that is greater than or is equal to 5, and close the bracket. So this will sum the count of chocolates which are worth for 5 or greater than 5 rupees. Now this is showing as maize have 25 chocolates in total, which cost greater than or is equal to 5 rupees. So see, it's 25 in actual, and that what we find out through this formula. I will reiterate the formula here again. Now, in some ifs we added a range first, some range first, that is a number of chocolates. Then we added names column for maize condition. So we wanted to find out how many chocolates does maize have. That's why we added this condition. After this, we added E column, that is MRP in total, MRP in rupees. And for this, we added condition as greater than or is equal to 5 rupees. So this is how you have to write the condition, and after closing the bracket, you can hit on the enter key. So maize have 25 chocolates, which cost greater than or is equal to 5 rupees. And maize has 30 chocolates in total, that we find out through Sumif formula. And all these three people have 90 chocolates with them. So this is how these three formulas work. Now some of the viewers have also asked me how I border my table. So few of them are also at beginners level. So I will show you how I border my table. That is first you have to do is to select the range. Now you can click on the borders on the top, then select all borders. Now this is how I border my tables. Secondly, there is an option for border style and border color. So you can also color your borders by selecting this option. And if you want to select different types of lines, so here you will find thin line, uh, thick line, dotted lines, everything. So this is how I border the table. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. So in this video we have covered some if and some ifs. So please subscribe to my channel, and click on the like button, so the channel will grow. uh, Thanks for watching.